If you're looking to make a gaming reviews cash cow channel, which will be going over just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. So in order to make a gaming reviews niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys a great one so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we have to start to think, what would someone interested in the gaming niche look up on YouTube? Now I looked up the Call of Duty review, and now let's go investigate a video that doesn't necessarily have a personality behind the channel. So I'm going to go with the second one. So as we can see in the video that they're already displaying just gameplay of what's going on in Call of Duty. There's also most likely someone narrating what's going on in the video game during the gameplay as well. The great thing is that you don't even have to show your face, as you're just showing the gameplay itself. You maybe showing the viewer new hacks on the game, and you're just trying to give them new information, the best information, to see if this game is worth the review. Is it even worth the purchase? Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, I can now even notice that the channel itself is promoting their own hoodie, and that they're most likely promoting the game that they're reviewing in this video as well. The channel itself has over 500,000 subscribers. As I continue to scroll down, it has some decent engagement, as it has over 500 comments, and the video itself has over 80,000 views. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has even more video game review type of content. As we can see just by the channel banner, they're asking me to please subscribe. As we can see in just the video section in the recent uploads, they have new game updates, and they also have the ultimate guides. They even have the new Modern Warfare review out. They also have just other videos, video game related, not Call of Duty related, but just other video games. And this is something that if you guys are into the gaming or the gaming reviews niche, this is most definitely someone that you could be watching their content for inspiration. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below in the comment section. What video game would you like to see a review on? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's see how many views this channel is gaining and how much money they're making in AdSense alone. So if I go into this website, I can now check out the channel stats. So as I scroll down, I can see in just the past 30 days that this channel is raking in over 1 million views just in the past 30 days. The monthly earnings for this channel as well is just well over that $5,000 mark. That is not too shabby to be just uploading your gameplay of you just playing the video game, uploading onto YouTube and making an extra income out of it. Throughout the yearly earnings as well, they're making close to that 60K mark, and most definitely this is more than your average US salary, and this is way better than working a minimum wage job. The best thing is that you didn't have to show your face and you had fun playing the game. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our A-roll, our sounds, and let's go put the video together. And no, you do not need the most expensive camera, and no, you don't even need to review yourself in any of the videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like putting your review together. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to review. Does this niche get the green light stamp of approval, or does it get the red light? I would say that the gaming reviews niche does get the yellow light. And although there is a large audience interested in the new upcoming game that's coming out, there's also a lot of competition. Now, I'm not saying that you can't be successful with this niche. You still can. You just need to be more creative with the way that you present your content and make sure that you stand out from everyone else. On the plus side though, the bonus is that these videos are very easy to make, and that YouTube automation can serve as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we went over, I would highly recommend you guys using them as inspiration. Try not to copy and be original when you create your own content. Also, let's say this niche wasn't for you, don't worry, because we're going to be exploring other niches in future videos. But let's say this niche is for you. You now have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some time, as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If the step-by-step guide is something that you'd be interested in, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here, as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace.